How's it, Grant here? Welcome back to the channel. And today I've got the Galaxy Z Flip 5G. So I know the Z Flip 3 is going to be coming out very soon, but I want to go ahead and try the Z Flip 5G, the previous model, the current model, before I try the newer model. Hopefully I can get the newer one and give it a comparison. But I was able to find a local deal on this one, and I really wanted to show you this one because this is the Mystic White version here. And so you can't actually get this color anymore. I don't think it's sold out on Samsung's website, and I don't see it anywhere else. So I was very fortunate to pick this up on a local deal. This is brand new in box and everything. So obviously I don't need to regurgitate all the specs. You know, you probably know the specs already. It's been well documented. Snapdragon 865 Plus with 8 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of onboard storage here. And we're just gonna go ahead and check it out. Mainly I want to check out this color. For those of you that may know me, I'm not much of a flip kind of a person. I'm more of a fold person. I want a device that starts the size of a normal phone and gets larger, then actually folds and gets smaller. That's what I feel the value in folding devices are. But you know, you always have to try some things to really see if it's gonna be for you or not. So I actually want to give it a fair shot. So let's go Z Flip right there. And let's take a look at this thing. So future changes shape, meet your Galaxy Z Flip 5G. So some nice card there. And here's the phone itself. And let's go ahead quickly and check out the rest of the box here. So Premier service, like you get on all the Fold devices. So that's going to be key in case you need to service your phone or your display, which a lot of people seem to be breaking, etc. And of course, it's going to come with the Samsung adaptive fast charging brick here. And this should be just the USB cable. So nothing fancy here. So this is Type C to Type A, so nothing too fancy in the box. And let's go ahead and check out the actual phone, because that's what we're all here for, to see this white color. And of course you have all the care instructions there of what you cannot do with this device because it's a folding phone. But here is that white color, and man, this actually looks really nice. I've not actually seen this in person. I don't think I've even seen any videos on it, so I wasn't really sure what kind of white this is going to be. So let's go ahead and take this out of the plastic here. And let's go ahead and see if we can carefully get this thing out of here without doing any damage. So there we go with that. And here is the color itself. So very much a pearlescent white, matte white, which I was really hoping for. I didn't want glossy. Love this matte look to it. Does not show any fingerprints, and I doubt it's going to show a ton of fingerprints, which is why I like white matte devices. And this is not disappointing as far as the beauty of the device, what it looks like, the hardware itself, really good hardware like Samsung does. You can see the shiny edges there, but really nice pearlescent matte white. So this is going to be very unique. Can't get this color anymore, and so I'm very happy and fortunate to be able to get it. You can see there, you've got the SIM card tray, you've got your power button as well as your fingerprint scanner, as well as your volume rockers up top. You got a microphone up top there, Type C microphone and speaker on the bottom, and then of course your inner camera there with the outer display that's probably not very useful at all, and your dual camera system, LED flash. But here's what it looks like, all nice and folded. Samsung with that nice hinge there, and yeah, actually this pretty much spring loads and folds really nicely. I'm used to the original Galaxy Fold that kind of just breaks down when you fold it, so having a kind of hinge that holds positions is new for me. And you can see here, this is the famous, I guess, flex mode or whatever they want to call this thing, where it stands up like a makeup compact there. So if you want to take your video conference calls and stuff, I don't see this being very useful for me in that mode. I don't know what I'm going to use that for. But let's go ahead and power it on, and then we'll go ahead and take a quick spin around the device. Right, so out of the box, this thing was dead. It's been sitting in this box for about a year now, so I gave it some power. I went through the setup process, and it's now installing a bunch of things in the background. It's still running Android 10 out of the box, so I got some system updates to bring it up to Android 11 as well. So I'll go through all that offline, but as you can see here, it's basically typical Samsung stuff here, nothing really exciting if you're familiar with Samsung devices. All traditional Samsung here, all the different features, all the UI, everything is the same. I'll update this thing to bring it up to One UI 3.0 and Android 11. But for now, I just want to unbox this thing, show you this nice Mystic white pearlescent color there. Looks really, really nice. Love this matte look, like I said. And so let me know if you've got the Z Flip 5G, or if you're maybe thinking about picking one up now that there's probably a bunch of deals now that the new Z Flip 3 and Fold 3 are expected to be announced on August 11th. So If I've got links to this in the description if you want to go check it out for yourself. Also, if you want to go ahead and reserve the expected Z Flip 3 or Fold 3, I've got links to do that in the description as well. If you click those links, it really helps out the channel. No expectation or anything to buy anything or to even reserve it. But if you do reserve one of these things and you do decide to eventually purchase it, because you reserved, you'll get access to a bunch of early access rewards and all that kind of stuff. So links in the description. If you don't mind just clicking those really help the channel. Again, no commitment to buy anything at all. But let me know if you have a Z Flip 5G or if you're planning to pick one up now that there are probably a bunch of deals, or if you're waiting for the new Z Flip 3 or Fold 3, let me know in the comments as well. Also, drop me any comments or questions that you want to know about the Z Flip 5G. I'll be putting through its paces and using it. Let me know if you want to see camera comparisons or anything. I'm pretty sure you may not be as interested, but I did want to try this thing out for myself before the new version comes out, so I have some hands-on experience with the Z Flip, and I can compare it to the new one if I'm able to get my hands on that one. So again, let me know if you have any other questions or comments. Drop them in the comment section. We'll continue our conversation down there. I'll try to answer whatever questions I can, and let me know if you want to see further content on the Z Flip 5G. So as always, thanks for watching.